How to delete your Google account permanently using your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually delete your Google account permanently using your Android phone or your Gmail account. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So let's say you might want to delete your Gmail account. You have to understand deleting the Gmail account also means deleting your Google account. And in order to do that, open up any of the Google apps. I will simply open the Gmail app, let's say, for this context. Once you open Gmail, on the top right, tap on your Google profile photo, and then you'll see all these options. You have to go ahead and select Manage Your Google Account. Once you go to Manage Your Google Account, go to this option which says Data and Privacy. So tap on Data and Privacy, and you have to actually scroll down to the very bottom of the screen. Once you scroll down to the very bottom, you can find this option which says Delete Your Google Account. So what you have to do is tap on Delete Your entire Google account, and it will ask you for a confirmation. You may need to verify with your password. So let me also go ahead and enter my password. So once you enter your password, you can see this kind of pop-up which says Delete Your Google Account, and you can see a list of all the other services and things that is going to be deleted according with your Google account. So you can see Blogger, on which your Google account is associated. You can see Gmail. You can see all your photos, basically of Google photos are going to be deleted. Your YouTube account, even the channel which is associated with your Google account, and the calendars, the contacts, the Google Play apps, and digital content. All you have to do is simply confirm the changes right over here, and then tap on the Delete Account button at the bottom right corner of the screen in order to permanently delete your Google or Gmail account. And this is how you can delete your Google account permanently. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.